Hi lovely, I'm Artsy. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a few upcoming developments. Number one, the Cornwall Regional Hospital has been out of commission for a few years now for rehabilitation. It has been taking much longer than initially expected, and much of the delay has been blamed on the inexperience of local contractors. Pretty sure there are other things also happening. Well, last week it was announced that Cornwall Regional Hospital will reopen next year in phases. I think that is welcome news for most. We only hope that it won't be delayed any further. Work continues on the hospital for adolescent and pediatric care being constructed on the same property behind the Cornwall Regional Hospital. But you wouldn't stick going and it left. Number two, the government of Jamaica will be constructing a 4-lane highway stretching from Sea Castle in Rosehall, Montego Bay to MoBay, St. Anne. The project is expected to cost between $600 million to $800 million US and includes the expansion of the current 2-lane highway to 4 lanes. The highway will bypass Prairie, Runaway Bay, and Discovery Bay in St. Anne. They recently signed an MOU with International Finance Corporation (IFC), an arm of the World Bank Group, under which IFC will assist the government with not only the design of the project but also implementation. It is proposed that investors will be in charge of funding and construction of the project, which will be divided into 3 phases. The roadway from Sea Castle to Greenwood in St. James, from Greenwood to Discovery Bay in St. Anne, and Salem to MoBay. Before we move on this channel, we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay. We meet every Sunday, and sometimes I give you 1 or 2 bonus videos in the week. So if that seems like something you would be interested in, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And join me over on the community tab. I ask questions to learn more about what you like, plus sometimes I give updates there as well. Number 3. Since we are on the topic of roads, I know that many of you are wondering what's happening with the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. Unfortunately, I don't have anything new to tell you besides information that is unconfirmed, so I can't share that. However, I just thought I should address that because quite a few of you have been asking in the comments. So I'm still trying to confirm, and as soon as I do, I will share with you. Marker is right here. Alright.
Got it?
I think I got it. Let's get a closer shot so far. Okay. Alright. So that's the landmarker right there. Like marker right there. It basically starts from One Man Beach. Outside of One Man Beach. Alright. Okay. You see that boat there? Right there. Sandals. Okay. Number 4. I was today years old when I learned that a ferry service was planned for Montego Bay. Apparently, it was supposed to be started in 2015 after a memorandum was signed in 2014 between Paradise Express Ferry LLC from the United States and the Port Authority of Jamaica. The ferry was to operate on the island's north coast between Montego Bay, Negril, and Ocho Rios. So after seeing this, I hopped on over to their website to learn more. And this is what it says. The Paradise Express ferry high-speed catamaran will offer Jamaica's 5 million annual tourists and islanders alike a much faster, experiential way to travel around and see Jamaica. It says coming soon to Montego Bay, so I'm really interested to know when it will happen. I sent them an email requesting more information, so let's see if they respond, and if they do, I will share that with you. Number 5, Frontier Airlines will be honoring Gordon Butch Stewart by naming a 240 passenger aircraft after him. Come next year, the words Stewart, the red-billed streamtail, will appear close to the nose of the aircraft and Jamaica's national bird pictured on the tail fin.